In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Mail to Outlook. We'll do this by using Zoho Mail's built-in forwarding feature so your incoming emails land right in your Outlook inbox. This is a quick, reliable way to make sure you don't miss messages if you prefer checking mail in Outlook. Start by opening your web browser and going to mail.zoho.com. Once your mailbox loads, you'll be looking at the Zoho Mail interface. The next place you want to go is Settings. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. That gear opens all of your account and mail settings. If your layout looks a little different, it's still in the top right in most views. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Mail Accounts and select it. This area controls the behavior of your Zoho address and where your messages can be delivered. You'll see different tabs and options here. Open the General tab. Think of General as the home for everyday preferences for your mailbox. This is where you'll find the option you need to forward messages out to another address. Find and click Forward. That opens the forwarding settings panel. This is where you tell Zoho where to send a copy of your incoming mail. In the forwarding field, carefully enter your Outlook email address. Double check for typos before you proceed. Forwarding won't work if the address isn't exact. After entering your Outlook address, choose the option to verify it. Zoho will send a confirmation email to Outlook to make sure you own that address. Go to your Outlook inbox and look for a verification message from Zoho. If you don't see it right away, check your junk or spam folder and give it a minute or two to arrive. Open the message and complete the verification by clicking the link or following the instructions it contains. Once that's done, return to Zoho Mail and confirm that the forwarding status shows as verified or enabled. Zoho typically saves this automatically when verification succeeds. A couple of quick tips to ensure a smooth experience. Keep an eye out for any prompt to keep a copy of forwarded emails in Zoho and choose the option that fits your workflow. Leaving a copy in Zoho can be helpful as a backup. Also remember that forwarding sends new incoming messages to Outlook. If you want full two-way sync of folders, read status, and sent items, that's a different setup using IMAP within Outlook. That's it. Your Zoho Mail is now set to forward to Outlook. Send yourself a quick test message to your Zoho address and you should see it appear in Outlook.